This is a used 2008 Jeep Patriot. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. With fewer than 1,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include digital audio input, premium rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, privacy glass, air conditioning, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Midstate Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1000 Arbuckle Road, Summersville, West Virginia 26651.